Hello from Target. Hello, friends. Okay, yeah. I'm back saying it's the business of the day. Yes, I had to come outside and unbox. It's such a beautiful weather today. Beautiful. Yes, fall is falling and we're getting closer to Thanksgiving, but I give thanks for this combat boost, my love. Look at the package it came in, fuchsia purple. My goodness, a fuchsia pink. I don't know, it's beautiful. Anywho, the combat boot is soft to touch. You will not believe it actually smells like leather, but my dear, it's a vegan leather. It's not a real leather. But yeah, exactly. It smells like leather. It's so good. It's so comfortable. I had to come and let you guys know how it felt. I had to walk around the whole day. Do you know normally all my shoes, including my sneakers, I always put foot insert in there, like what you have from Dr. Scholl or one of those ones you get in the store. But I needed nothing. I didn't need any orthopedic help in it. Everything went well. The it's snug. It's like it hugged my feet. It hugged my ankle. So far, so good. Please, please, please remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends. If you really love them, share this with your friends. They will be very grateful. They will be very thankful. Or just buy it for somebody as a Christmas gift. It's happening. Do this and you will not regret it. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. Thank you, friends. I just had to give this to all my subscribers, to all you who are watching, my future subscribers, as a gift. You thank me later. You will be grateful for this. It's really wonderful. I love this. Kohl store, that's where you get it. Go online before it finishes. Okay, yeah, I had to jump in and give you guys this gift. Yeah, take it as my gift. We give thanks. And I wish you all a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy and don't eat too much, but it's yummy. Bye. Thanks. Tschüss, bis bald. Vielen Dank.